This is the recorded briefing for the weekly weather of Monday, November 30th. Overview, tonight through Tuesday, looking at more stagnant air conditions for Tuesday night to Thursday. This is where we're going to see a wintry mix, maybe some freezing rain. Then Friday into next week, cold front moves through, gives us some breezing conditions. Precipitation will be mainly mountain snow and valley rain at this point. So we have a cold and foggy start to the week. Lows will remain in the teens, and this will potentially give us some ice patches on the road surfaces. Mainly will be overall a low impact for the next couple days. Our air quality concerns will remain, and the air stagnation advisory has been extended through noon Friday. We will see the potential for some minor improvements Wednesday and Thursday, but most of our stagnant conditions won't be cleared out until the cold front on Friday. For Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, this will be our first weather system that comes in. Precipitation will be light. Our best chances for moderate snow accumulations will be across the northwest portion of the region, and then up to around an inch or so into the basin, over to the Idaho Panhandle, and a light freezing rain potential also primarily south of Moses Lake to Ritzville to Pullman. Then as we go into Wednesday afternoon to Thursday, there's more uncertainty with the next system, but this is what we're sort of looking for. Warmer air will be coming in aloft, but temperatures will remain freezing, or at least near freezing, for much of the region, especially north of the Moses Lake area, up across the northern mountains. We're looking at the potential for a wintry mix, primarily north of Spokane to Kellogg, so we might start out with snow, but eventually change over to rain through the night Wednesday into Thursday morning. We will see a freezing rain scenario possible for locations such as Wenatchee over to Colville and Omak. For the east slopes of the Cascades and the Okanagan Highlands and maybe the northern portions of the Okanagan Valley, we are looking at mainly snow and more moderate snow accumulations expected. Now there is some uncertainty because the models are not in good agreement at this time, but the Wednesday afternoon, really the second system looks like it'll have the higher impact. So we are looking at a high impact potential, but right now our confidence is low. And this will be mainly for the moderate snow accumulations and the freezing rain or sleet threat. We will continue to monitor the situation and update slides for probably by Wednesday. Then we have a cold front moving in on Friday. This should give us some breezing conditions, and the good news, it should clear out much of our stratus and fog across the region. This is also where we have higher confidence that our air quality will improve as well. For the weekend, temperatures will be warming up, will become more mild, so we're generally looking at a valley rain and mountain snow type of situation, as the weather will remain active through the weekend into early next week. Where we will continue to see a chance for some valley snow will be in the east slopes of the Cascades, and especially in the Methow Valley, where colder temperatures look like they will remain. Our 8 to 14 day outlook, so looking at next week, December 7th to the 13th, we have the Climate Prediction Center is going with better chances for warmer than normal conditions and also wetter than normal conditions. So in summary, I wanted to show a travel matrix. The Wednesday afternoon, Thursday morning period does look like it'll be our best or the highest potential for having impacts, especially on travel, where we could be seeing some ice, some snow-covered roads. So from the valleys to the mountains, this will be a period where we could be quite busy as far as the weather is concerned. Then as the Friday into weekend, the main impacts will be for snow accumulations in the mountains. Thank you very much, and this concludes the briefing.